Hey traders, happy Monday and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kong with K.trades and I have a trade recap off some scalps that I took this morning off SPY. I was able to make a nice little profit of $334. And yeah, so a nice start for the week. Before I get started, just wanted to touch briefly on pre-market and what I was thinking going towards today. So for SPY, my initial plan was to basically view and monitor price action around its previous all-time high and then take trades off there. For the Qs, very similar setup, but then for the Qs, monitor price action around its previous major resistance level around that 400 to 401 level. So coming into the open, SPY in the Qs looks like it wanted to start to sell off. So my first plan here was to take a small position under 472, or if it breaks above pre-market high and then take trades off there, knowing that there's all-time high above, so a little bit of room to go above. So as we come towards the open here, just a good reminder for myself and for traders in general is that we can never be too biased in one direction, and always allow price to determine our reactions and then take trades off of there. So this was a good example today, or a good reminder to myself that you can never be too biased in one direction. So here I was actually getting ready for some puts. I had my 472s ready to go if it did break under 472 to take trades off there. But as you can see, when it opened, it actually reversed very fast. A lot of volume came in, and then that's where I actually took my first trade. So yeah, let's check out the video. So here I do have puts ready, but I'm not clearly convinced yet that price was going to make another move down. And here we can see that a lot of volume is starting to pick up, starting to come in. So I'm thinking here, if it can break above pre-market high and maybe retest it back down, it has some room to go up still. So here I switched to some 473 calls. I wanted to see it drop down just a little bit before getting in. So that was my first entry, my first position right there. Stop loss is going to be under pre-market high. And as price held above pre-market high is when I actually averaged in my second position. Still holding above pre-market high, which is a good sign for me. Keeping my stop loss tight. As it goes up, this is where I averaged it again with another 10 contracts. So I have 20 contracts total here. So here I'm already in the green already. Getting ready to get out. Yeah, so here as I'm getting ready to sell my 19 contracts, just trying to view price action to see where it's going to slow down. And as it slows down, that's where I want to sell my first 19. So I sold there. I probably could have held a little bit longer. So I have one contract left here. As it held up here, I added another contract. So as I'm reviewing this video again, I don't think that last two that I just added is probably the best move there. I probably should have just held on to the first two, because price is definitely slowing down, and I don't really like to see that. I like price to keep moving fast, or either I'm out of the trade. So here I'm stuck with 4 contracts now, and I'm thinking to myself, okay, it's starting to slow down. I need to probably get out of this trade here. And as soon as it's showing me more signs that it's having trouble to break that intraday high of 473.19, that's where I get out. So I get out there. I have one left just in case. You never know. And then I believe as it still struggled, I exited my last one for a small loss as well. So yep, so I sold my last contract there, able to make a nice little profit of $334 within the first 6 minutes or so in the day. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.